Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the outfit of your bitmoji on the Snapchat application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the page. Go to the bitmoji option and tap to the first option, the change my outfit. And here you can select another clothes to your bitmoji, and if you finish, just click to the save button at the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.